Hey friend, quick question. What is the easiest affiliate marketing opportunity to get paid from? The ones that you already use. Hey, my name is Chris from chrisandnjigha.com, and in this very exciting episode, I'm going to share with you 10 vitally important online business tools that I think every online marketer should have anyway, regardless, that hey, just so happen to have some really awesome affiliate marketing opportunities associated with them. So hey, you can get paid for using the tools that you have to use anyway. All right, so if you want to check those out, stick around for that. So hey, welcome my friend. Hey, if you don't know, this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindsets and the online skill sets to get results, make more money, and drive the breakthrough that you deserve, and finally live that choice lifestyle. All right, so if you like content like that, online business ideas, passive income, online marketing, and network affiliate marketing and things like that, and hey, give the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel. Hey, don't forget that bell too, so you can be notified whenever I drop new videos on this type of content, which is pretty much on a Monday through Friday daily basis right now. All right, so let's get right to it. 10 online business tools that are vitally important that hey, so happen to have great affiliate marketing opportunities for you to get paid with. All right, so let's get started with it. Let's count them down. Number 10 on our list is VidIQ. All right, so VidIQ is basically a video ranking and search tracking tool. It's specifically used for YouTube videos. I consider it to be a very essential tool because it helps you discover what's going on with your videos, with your channel, and help you optimize your strategy so that you're basically growing with a specific strategic game plan. And so it helps you do a lot of different things, see what your competitors are doing as well. And so as you can see, there's a lot of different people that with really massive channels that use the tool. So I love it. Like you can see on my channel, I definitely use it, all right, for my videos. You can tell because I'm able to get all this nice little information about my channel, about the number of hours watched, the views, the watch time, and things like that. And in addition, like for example, let's say if we go to a video influencers channel, there are some guys that really doing big things and helping out entrepreneurs. If you go, you'll see that they too also use VidIQ. Like let's say you go to one of their videos here and we just were to pause it, you could see all the data and information about their channel. So it's a great way to kind of get like a sneak peek on what your competition or what people in your niche rather are doing. Now what's cool about it is that hey, VidIQ is a free tool to use, and guess what? They also have an affiliate program as well. It's free to get started with either too, and you can earn up to 20% commission for the life of the plan for whoever joins you in the program. So to me, it makes it it's a great affiliate marketing opportunity to make money on a tool that you're going to use anyway, especially if you're a YouTube marketer. All right, so number 9, affiliate marketing opportunity that just so happens to be an online business tool you need to help you make some money extra on the side is SEMRush. All right, so SEMRush is also very similar to VidIQ. It's basically an online marketing tool that's really good for mostly bloggers in particular, right? So if you want to know what's going on with your website and your blog, you want to get the advantage, you want to make sure that you have all the links that you need and all the advantages in ranking your blog posts, then SEMrush is kind of a must-have tool. I had it at one point, I still have it, but I'm on the free version right now because I'm not blogging as much, but I do plan on getting back on it because one of the things you can get is you can get all types of research on your competitors. You can find out where their backlinks are coming from and basically copy it. It helps you with keyword research in depthly, and it's got a lot of tools to help you compare keyword difficulty and so many reports and things that like make it such a really vital tool. Like so many people are using it. What's nice about it is they also have an affiliate program too, which is one of the best ones. And the reason being is that it's free to get started and you can advertise your link and earn money. But what's crazy is that their cookie is basically a cookie for life. So once someone clicks on your link, they're stuck with your cookie link forever. Whatever they buy, don't buy, you're the one that will ultimately get the commissions from it. Pays you through PayPal, and it's pretty fast and quick. They're one of the best affiliate programs out there. So I really like them for their tool, which is extremely useful, especially if you're blogging, to really get your blog post ranked, but also the fact that you can get paid really good money just from their affiliate marketing program alone. All right, so now down to our number 8 online business tool that is vitally important that can pay you a great affiliate marketing opportunities as well is social oomph. All right. So social oomph is basically one of those social media automation tools, right? And I like it because, hey, if you're out there posting and stuff on your own manually, then you are killing yourself and wasting your time, especially when you got all these automation tools that can do it for you, right? And I love social oomph because it's very affordable, especially on the you can get it free, but I do have the professional, and I particularly use it for like my Twitter account. And so you can see my Twitter account. And what's really cool is that you can actually go inside it, and when you go inside, there's a thing called Q reservoirs. And Q reservoirs, you can create these Q reservoirs where they'll automatically send out your posts, or in this case, tweets, if you're on Twitter, automatically for you. It's crazy. And you can cycle them through day in and day out, or whatever time period you want, every day, every other day. It's really awesome. It makes you look like you're active on Twitter all the time without ever having to do anything. I simply create these queues. I create a new YouTube video, for example. I drop it in the queue, and it gets posted every other period that I decide for it to do it. Awesome tool, all right? And then they also do have an affiliate program as well, where you can earn 40% commissions from someone from just referring this to other people. They also have two-tiered commission overrides, which is really nice, kind of like a little mini network marketing type of thing there, and it's free to sign up. So it's one of those tools that I highly recommend, especially if you're gonna do Twitter with it. That's why I use it mostly. You can do Facebook and other stuff like that, but I've never really used it for that tool. But great affiliate marketing opportunity from an online tool that you're going to use anyway, especially if you're trying to get a leg up on Twitter. All right, number 7, online tool that I think is vitally important that has a great affiliate marketing opportunity beside it is Buffer. So Buffer is the other social media automation tool that I really like. Basically, you can set up, they set it up so that you can put whatever post you want, and you can syndicate your content automatically from Buffer to your Instagram, to your Facebook, to your Twitter, your Pinterest, whatever you want, and it's pretty cool. So I used to use it for a while, but I don't use it as much because I don't do a lot of social media posting as much. I do more YouTube videos and things like that. And so, but it used to be like, hey, I had you could post in Facebook groups, you could post on your Facebook page, Instagram, your Twitter, and even Pinterest and a bunch of different stuff when you upgrade to their, I think it's their professional level, right? So it's pretty cool. However, I love the Buffer tool, but they actually don't have an affiliate program. They actually took away their referral program as of February of 2018. So that's a bummer. But I decided I wanted to include it in the list anyway because it's like a really good tool that I think you should have anyway. You should not be wasting your time posting manually when you can use Buffer to automatically automate all your posts and social media posts so you can be on the top of mind in social media without actually having to do the work. Buffer is one of the better tools for that. So it's a must-have tool, in my opinion, even though they don't have a great affiliate marketing opportunity. All right. Number 6 on this list of online business tools to help that are vital, that also can pay you great affiliate marketing money, is Zoom. All right. So Zoom is like my favorite video recording tool. All right. They essentially basically use Zoom. It's basically like an online conferencing and video sharing software tool where you can just kind of like, have meetings and with people and do video webinars and things like that. But I use it to just like record videos like most of the time, right? I mean, to record videos, to record screen shares sometimes and share them. And so like you can see here, I'm on the pro account with them, and I've been with them for a while for it, so I love it. It's a great tool because you can get it for free, but I think you can only record for a certain amount of time under the free, and it's not that expensive to go pro, so I decided to go do that. And guess what? They also have their own version of an affiliate program. It's kind of like a refer program, and it's free. Basically, you get started for free, you invite friends, you earn points, and then you can redeem those points for cash, gift cards, or whatever the case may be. And so it's pretty cool. So I like Zoom, great tool to that you need, especially if you're creating videos. If you're an online business, hey, you gotta have it anyway. Or if you're doing conferencing anyway, you might as well use it. And you can also have some affiliate marketing opportunities on the back end with that. So number 5, online business tool that I think is vitally important that you can make affiliate marketing opportunities behind is Adobe Premiere. All right, so they've got a ton of different Adobe products out there for video editing, a lot of different ones. I actually have a video that you can check out on my channel on like, I did like for the top 8 best video recording, screen sharing tools out there. And some of them you can do recording and editing at the same time. I like Adobe Premiere because it's probably one of the most advanced tools. And yeah, it's not necessarily for the beginner, but I do recommend it still because, hey, you're not gonna ever go anywhere with once you start with this one. There's a learning curve, but there's plenty of trainings and tools out there for you to start and use it. I didn't have no skill sets in video editing, but the training that I picked up from here and from other people and from Udemy, for example, you can learn how to do it, and it's a great skill set to have, and you'll never have to go anywhere else because the tool is so robust. I love it. I still use it today to edit all my videos and do simple edits. And guess what? They have a great affiliate program as well. So you can get started with them for free to join, and you can earn like 85% on the first monthly subscriptions or 8% for the first year for people who do yearly subscriptions, all right? So the only thing is that it's not recurring. It looks like to be one time, but hey, great way to make some money off of a tool that you're going to be using anyway to edit your videos, to create those very nice content, especially if you're doing YouTube videos like I do. And yeah, I think you'll enjoy it. So great tool, great affiliate marketing opportunity behind it as well. So count them down. Number 4 on our list of affiliate marketing opportunities that you can use to get paid, that should also be online tools, is Trello. Okay, woo, I love Trello, man. Trello is probably one of the best productivity apps on the internet right now. All right, the way it works is that you basically can create different boards that have different tasks, and you can have different people on the board, and it updates kind of like it updates live, so people are moving boards around and completing tasks. You can see where people are at, and I use it specifically for when I hired my VA, so that I could communicate with her and we were on the same page in terms of training, in terms of our game plan for videos and things, and game plan for online marketing and things like that. So it's a really great tool. I mean, it's probably one of the better ones out there in terms of productivity. I definitely recommend it, especially if you work with a team. And guess what? They do kind of have like a referral program. It's not really an affiliate program, more like referral. So like for every person you refer to Trello, you get like a free month of Trello Gold for up to 12 months. So that's pretty cool. Not necessarily cash money, but I had to include it anyway because Trello is such an awesome tool. It's one of the best productivity tools, team management, project management applications that you can have. Can't really think of anything else better out there. So definitely one that you had to be included in the list, even though the affiliate marketing opportunity is so-so. All right. So number 3 on our list of online business tools you must have with affiliate marketing opportunities to get paid is Google Drive. Now, once again, another tool that is an absolute must. Like, I really don't know who can run an online business these days without Google Drive, man. It's crazy because, I mean, obviously you can store all your files and all your content here on Google Drive, which is what I do. You see your stuff anywhere, so you can see it on your phone, if you're on the go, on your computer, on your laptop, wherever. You can be shared a file, so you can have like other people who are collaborating with you. They can also get access to it. So I'm not gonna go into my Google Drive right now, but hey, it's a great program that I'm pretty sure you're probably using now, if not already, to build your business. And guess what? They also have a referral program. It's their G Suite referral program, right? So the way it works is that basically, if anyone signs up for their upgraded G Suite basic plan, you make $15, and if they do the G Suite business plan, you make $30 for up to $3,000 per domain. So it's pretty cool, free to get started, free to share, and free to get paid. So hey, it's a great way to make money off of a tool that you're going to use anyway, right? I mean, that's a great affiliate marketing opportunity right there for a very good online business tool in Google Drive. All right. So number 2 on our list for online business tools with great affiliate marketing opportunities, ClickFunnels. All right, so ClickFunnels is just a lead capture page system. Of course, there's a ton of different ones. There's lead pages, and there's like, you know, a bunch of different tools that you can use. I just use ClickFunnels because it's probably one of the most well-known ones out there that you can definitely use, and it's probably one of the most robust ones out there. So it's very nice. They've designed it in such a way that it's simple for you to get started, even if you're not new, you're brand new to online marketing. you definitely want to be having a lead capture page, right? Because that's how you generate leads, which is pretty much the lifeblood and flow of your entire business altogether. So if you're not generating leads, you're probably hurting. So lead capture page is definitely the way to do it, and ClickFunnels does an excellent job of doing it. Help you generate leads, help you sell products, help you run webinars, send more emails, whatever the case may be, whatever you want to do, they help you do it. Very robust tool. Russell Brunson has done a great job. You can start your 14-day free trial. Oh, by the way, all the links for all these are in the description below, so you can check those out. And guess what? They also have an affiliate program as well. So as soon as you become a paying member, hey, you can instantly become an affiliate and click there and get signed up. And the really cool thing, I believe, is that they also have 2-tiered programming as well, where you can get paid, I forget, it's like 30% on your sales, and it's 2-tiered as well. So very good affiliate program that you can check out. Just be sure that you only click into that affiliate section of your own account, because there's a lot of pages out there that are acting like sign up pages, but they're not. So I'm not going to leave I'll leave a link for you to try out the 14-day trial. From there, you can get access to the affiliate program. All right. So down to our number 1 online business tool that is a must-have with a great affiliate marketing opportunity attached to it, and that is Aweber. All right. So, which is basically an email autoresponder and is a must-have tool. If you're running an online business this day and age, you must be building your list, right? You must. Otherwise, you're killing yourself. You're not really building an online business. I can promise you that. And with a list, you need an email autoresponder. There's a whole bunch of different ones. They got MailChimp, Instant Constant Contact, and all these different ones. Aweber is the one that I use. Hey, it's been around for a while. Definitely a great tool and service. Always improving their brand, always improving their platform, helping you build your business, helping you send more emails. Customer service is always on point, and you can get started for a free 30-day trial. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check that out. And what's even nicer about it is that they also have a really good affiliate program as well. Basically, you can earn up to 30% recurring commissions on anyone who signs up through your link for their email service. And the thing about this, you got to think about, is that someone who signs up with an autoresponder is someone who's probably going to stay around for a long time, right? So this type of recurring commission to me is one of the better ones, because it's going to stay around. Most people are not canceling their email list unless they're going to another email provider. But hey, that's something that you can rely on as a great affiliate marketing bonuses that you can get, free to get started, by the way, and is part of a tool that you're going to be using anyway. So that's one thing I really do like about that. So that's it, my friend. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope that was helpful. Did you learn something about some of these online business tools that maybe you're using, maybe you're not using, or maybe you got some ideas of tools that you could probably check out in the future later on? Hope that was helpful. Hope you got some ideas. And guess what? Did you know you can get paid with that too? So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hey, definitely give the video a like. All right. Consider subscribing to the channel up here. And oh, by the way, if you want to check out more videos on how you can make more money online, then I think you might want to check out this video right here. I think it will be helpful. Alright, so till the next exciting episode, my friend, be blessed, stay hungry out there. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.